Checking your account balance at Intrust Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Visit the Intrust Bank website. Open your web browser and go to the official Intrust Bank website. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Log into your online banking account. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you do not have an online account, you may need to register for online banking first. Step 3. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, find the Account Summary or Accounts tab in the menu. Click on it to view a list of your accounts. Step 4. Select the account you want to check. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. View your account balance. Your account balance will be displayed prominently on the account details page. Review the information to ensure it meets your needs. Now you can easily check your account balance at Intrust Bank whenever you need to.